If your Epson printer just won't connect to Wi-Fi, you're not alone. It's a common problem, but the solution is usually simple. Let's get your printer back online, fast. First, make sure your printer and Wi-Fi router are both powered on. Check that your printer's Wi-Fi light is blinking or on. If not, press the Wi-Fi button until it does. Next, move your printer closer to the router. Walls and electronics can cause weak signals. Try to keep the printer within the same room as your router, at least for setup. Now, on your printer's control panel, find the network or Wi-Fi setup option. Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list, then enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. If you're not sure of the password, double-check it on another device. If your printer still isn't connecting, restart both your printer and your Wi-Fi router. Sometimes a simple reboot solves the problem. Still stuck? Download Epson's official printer app on your phone or computer. The app can guide you step by step and even update your printer's software. And finally, make sure your Wi-Fi isn't set to 5 GHz only. Most Epson printers work best with 2.4 GHz. You can check this in your router settings. That's it. Try a test print. If it works, you're all set. If not, check Epson's website for more help. You've got this. Your Epson printer will be back online in no time.